What happens at retirement? After all that saving and investing, employees will have built up a pot for retirement. The retirement age for auto-enrolment will be linked to the state pension age, which is 66. In the initial years, retiring employees will receive a lump sum payment from their pot. In the future, more retirement products will be developed and available to retiring employees. Unlike auto-enrolment systems in other countries, employees won't be able to access their pot before retirement age. This is to ensure that their savings are ring-fenced for retirement. Early drawdowns will only be possible in the case of an ill-health retirement, and in the unfortunate event where an employee dies prior to retirement, their pot will be crystallised and will form part of their estate. For more information, you can visit our website gov.ie/auto-enrolment. Here you'll find the latest up-to-date information, further information for employees and employers, and a list of our most frequently asked questions.